Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. During this mango season, this recipe is a must try. Let's see how to make this yummy Mango Kesari. So first, into a pan add some ghee or clarified butter. Add some cashew nuts and some raisins, fry it and keep it aside. Into the remaining ghee, add semolina, fry it for some time. After few seconds, you can see the color has changed. Once it is nicely roasted, remove it. And then add some water into the pan with some oil and some ghee. Add some salt and mix it. And once the water gets nice boil, add the roasted semolina into it. Reduce the flame and mix it really well. Once the semolina gets cooked and becomes soft, add the sugar. Give it a mix. Once the sugar gets melted, you have to break all the lumps from the semolina and then add in 1 cup of mango puree. Mix this really well with the semolina. In between, keep on adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Likewise, you have to incorporate around 1/4 cup of ghee into the semolina. You can add some cardamom powder for the flavoring and also the fried nuts and raisins. When the mixture turns slightly thick, turn off the flame. You can transfer it into a plate and allow it to cool down. And once it cools down, it's ready to serve. The soft and delicious Mango Kesari is ready. Do try this out and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.